Title of web page, Child Protective Services. Do you suspect abuse or maltreatment? Report it now. Do you suspect abuse or maltreatment? Report it now. Call our statewide toll-free telephone number 1-800-342-3720. If you are deaf or hard of hearing, call TDD or TTY at 1-800-638-5163 or have your video relay system provider call 1-800-342-3720. If you believe that a child is in immediate danger, call 911 or your local police department. The statewide Central Register of Child Abuse and Maltreatment. The abuse or maltreatment of children is against the law. Victims need an effective child protective service to prevent them from suffering further injury and impairment. The purpose of the Child Protective Services Act of 1973 is to encourage more complete reporting of child abuse and maltreatment. The law established Child Protective Services, CPS, in each county in New York. Each CPS is required to investigate child abuse and maltreatment reports to protect children, anyone under 18 years old, from further abuse or maltreatment, and to provide rehabilitative services to children, parents, and other family members involved. The New York State Office of Children and Family Services maintains the statewide Central Register of Child Abuse and Maltreatment, SCR, also known as the Hotline, for reports made pursuant to the Social Services Law. The SCR receives telephone calls alleging child abuse or maltreatment within New York State. SCR staff relay information from the calls to the local CPS for investigation, monitors their prompt response, and identifies whether there are prior child abuse or maltreatment reports. The SCR receives calls 24 hours a day, every day from two types of sources. Persons who are required by law, mandated, to report suspected cases of child abuse and maltreatment. And calls from non-mandated reporters, including the public. Among those who are mandated reporters, medical and hospital personnel, school officials, social service workers, childcare workers, residential care workers and volunteers, law enforcement personnel. Other mandated reporters are listed in the summary guide for mandated reporters located at hyperlink https://pub/ocfs.ny.gov/publications/pub1159/pub1159.pdf. This publication provides mandated reporters with an overview of their obligations and a conceptual framework of New York State's Child Protective Services system. The guide is available in the following languages: English, Arabic, Bengali, Chinese traditional, French, Haitian Creole, Italian, Korean, Polish, Russian, Spanish, Urdu, Yiddish, Voluntary reporters, for example neighbors, relatives, and concerned citizens, may also use the statewide toll-free number to make reports. If you suspect a child has been harmed or is at risk, please dial 1-800-342-3720 to report what you have seen or heard. You can make a difference. Child Protective Services and statewide central register forms. Mandated reporters must file, within 48 hours of an oral report, a signed written report, report of suspected child abuse or maltreatment, LDSS 2221A. This written report is to be filed with the appropriate local CPS. Mandated reporters may request the address of the investigative district from the SCR's Child Protective Specialist at the time of the oral report to the SCR. LDSS 2221A is available in the following languages: English, Bengali, Chinese traditional, Haitian Creole, Italian, Korean, Russian, Spanish,